The Energy Commission of Nigeria (ECN) has reaffirmed its commitment to promoting energy-efficient air conditioners with climate-friendly refrigerants in residential, commercial, and public buildings. The Commission Director General, Dr. Mustapha Abdullahi, said the Commission, in partnership with UNEP, is implementing a project titled Scaling Up Energy Efficient and Climate-Friendly Cooling in Nigeria's NDC Revision, supported by the Clean Cooling Collaborative (CCC).
The Energy Commission of Nigeria, in partnership with the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP), is implementing the project titled Scaling Up Energy Efficient and Climate-Friendly Cooling in Nigeria's National Determined Contributions Revision, which is supported financially by the Clean Cooling Collaborative (CCC). The ECN has been implementing this project since 2022. With the objective to accelerate the use of energy-efficient air conditioners with climate-friendly refrigerants used in residentials, commercial and public buildings, aligning with Nigerians' climate targets in the Nationally Determined Contributions (NDC). I have been informed and also got confirmation today from SON that the new Minimum Energy Performance Standard (MEPS) for air conditioners has been approved by the federal government of Nigeria. The implementation and enforcement of this landmark standard will bring both economic and environmental benefits to the nation, as this will lead to energy savings, reduction in energy demand, and increase energy access. Let me stop at this junction to appreciate and also express my gratitude to the Standard Organization of Nigeria (SON) for the support given to the project team in the review of the MEPS for ACES under these laudable projects as the major deliverables.
The UNEP representative said the project aims to promote energy-efficient air conditioners and low global warming potential refrigerants to address climate change.
With Nigeria's new minimum energy performance standards for air conditioners, the stage is set to have 11 terawatt-hours of energy annually to save 11.5 terawatt-hours of energy annually by 2040. This is a game change for Africa, and it will allow Nigeria to be a leading example in the continent. Additionally, Nigeria is not only lowering costs for consumers, but also leading the way forward. This transition will have a meaningful contribution to meet the climate change targets defined in Nigeria's nationally determined contribution in a cost-effective and sustainable manner.
SON Director General Dr. Okeke Ifeanyi, represented by SON Group Head, Electrical Electronics, Engineer Lawal Ismaila, said the agency had worked with ECN to standardize air conditioners.
We have been working tirelessly with Energy Commission and other relevant agencies to make sure that this standard see the light of the day. So Nigeria is not left out. We make sure we do what we are expected to do as the standard body representing Nigeria at the global level, to make sure that whatever comes into the country meets the standard, and whatever that is being manufactured in Nigeria also meets the same standard. And that's why we have two certification schemes, one for all imported products, which is our SUNCAP certification scheme, and the MACAP certification scheme for all local manufacturers. It's the same standard. It's just nomenclature for us to identify one certification for all local manufacturers and the other for all imported